In this episode, we get back to our primitive roots. Bit of a Zoolander moment. Oh, you mean it's inside the dash? We fight a bunch of rust and filler. Oh, and more fun times. That's about 10 mils thick. And I channel my inner rocket scientist. Yeah, we need the steering column in to steer it. So a couple of the boys came over to help, and Volde in the red shirt was there to initially check out the wiring, the existing wiring, so he could plan the new wiring. But we ended up just crushing through whatever work we could in terms of stripping it out to get it ready for blasting. Yeah! Yeah!
Wait, it's all the same missus or another missus? Same one.
Don't access the part.
I thought she's going away.
Oh no, that whole China thing is cancelled.
Cancelled, my China.
Cancel.
That's the coil.
Where's the coil?
Where's the coil? You batting here, Volde? Yeah.
Okay, so might as well take the fender off.
Might as well take the fender off. No, we gotta blast the inside of the wheel. So try this one wet.
Oh wow.
Nothing is simple.
Success!
Wesley's done something.
Yeah,
Yes!
can conquer the world. Tonight on E.
We conquer the Renault with our cow! So much happened.
Struggle of my life.
Brake fluid flowing everywhere. It's
quite a pucky they had going here.
Oh my. Wow. So 2 layers. Brings new meaning to the term push putty.
Oh, that's it though.
Come in, Jimmy. Look at that.
Wow.
Phenomenal.
Beautiful.
More fun times. Wow, that is
The joys of life.
that is glorious. Yeah, okay, so abandon the project.
Right, boys, let's back up now.
Back up. This was a different plate that they put in there. Huh?
Yeah. But they like 2 coats of putty and spray.
The thickness of that's about 10 mils thick.
Oh, and they held it together proper a bit. Well, at least there's nothing that a bit of body putty can't fix. Why? That's why. Check, there's a rock from 1920.
Couldn't we find a more rusty chassis? From there we moved on to the interior. Bit of a Zoolander moment. Oh, you mean it's inside the dash?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present you 1405.
What is 1405?
The year that Oak was born who designed this car.
For a fat man, I'm quite a contortionist.
Unleash the Kraken!
The crank one.
Great God.
Here's your knob.
It's a no.
It's a nub. This is a nub.
What else can we take it?
How many engineers does it take to strip a car?
Don't know.
We'll find out. We don't care, we will dig in.
We will cut everything.
Oh, this is way too much torture.
Can we just simplify this whole thing?
Yeah.
Put a start and a stop button.
Right, bring the blowtorch, people. Yeah, here's your souvenir.
Don't even do brakes.
Yeah. Here's your souvenir. You must take that.
Looks like it's out of Miami 5.
Yeah, I think the warranty might be void on this car.
Nah, I think we can still correct it.
Hey guys, will it crank? How do we take the rest of it?
Get it.
That problem.
Where's the crowbar?
It's in the cupboard. Oh God. It's really happening. Second, yeah!
Let's make everyone's life hell.
It's in the bottom of the cupboard, Baldur.
What do you need a crowbar for?
I have no idea.
I'm scared.
It's gonna break the window. Second, yeah!
I'm doing
15,000.
quite some arbitrary screws here. Don't know what it's for, but I'm doing everything that I find inside.
It's all weight related, people.
M12s, the steering column.
Please.
The,
Ideally with the draw bit.
where is that one?
There, on the red Shelby next to the baggy leg.
What are you gonna drill now?
There's the plastic.
Plastic.
Plastic. So they had little covers on there that locks them in. You can't get to the actual screw.
I think we must just bring the grinder. I'll start cutting, but what's the worst that could happen?
Well, not much.
There's nothing that could possibly set alight.
No.
Apart from all this felt on the roof.
Is a mystery.
Spotted.
Do you even know what you're doing, Robin?
No, I don't know why I'm here. I was lured here with the promise of food and hugs.
Definitely not getting hugs from me.
Empty promises.
It's great watching you guys simple.
What are you doing?
Taking the steering column down. I don't know why, but I'm just doing it.
Maybe don't do that. Well, what? Oh yeah, we're taking those cables off.
Cut me from the inside.
Yes, yes.
It's the internal scars that hurt the most.
We did.
Enough. More
Why don't the flickers work anymore?
Oh shit.
Maybe we should connect the battery.
Yes, connect the battery correctly.
See what happens.
Will it start still?
I reckon it'll start though. It'll probably run better than it used to.
Careful my fingers with working on this car. It's so small that you bump your fingers everywhere. Okay, what's next?
Not just keep pulling shit out. I reckon this cable has been asking for a pair of side cutters for a very long time.
Listen, you don't just cut stuff.
Why?
Don't just cut. No consideration for other people.
I'm considering you. I'm keeping the cable.
By cutting it somewhere randomly.
Yeah. There we go. Good job, Wes.
What is this cable?
Wes is on a mission.
Follow it right to the end. Some rust to come flying when I pull on the cable.
Yeah, we need the steering column in to steer it.
This one.
I reckon you can just cut wood. I mean,
This one?
effectively, we need cables for lights.
So you just take everything off.
Yeah. Just cut it.
Just cut it.
Cut it with a side cutter.
It's like a bolt cutter for these things.
I reckon.
How are we going to rewire this thing then?
Well, we're not going to rewire it. Voldu's going to rewire it. So there's that. And then, yeah, I think it's fun. It's easy job.
It's all wireless anyway.
Come on. Come on. This, I have no idea. Just that.
At least a crack. So I reckon this one's ways.
That
Cut it there, so you don't have to try pull it back. So cut it there and then pull it up.
You know what I think with this car you don't even need brake lights. You just don't break it off.
You have a manual switch.
There's probably a switcher somewhere for the
If you're a brake, you're a coward. So many cables in such a small car.
Yay! It's lots of fun dismantling. Years of some French dudes. Cut this grommet there. There we go. Will it go through here?
So much fun. Okay.
That's all that they were.
Almost done.
Yay! Ow! You slapped this kid on your knuckles.
I didn't need them. Thank you.
Oh, Baldur is showing crackage. Lovely. Let's avoid the crackage. Unleash the Kraken.
Who needs wires?
Where does this cable go?
Look boys, in a year from now we'll look back on this and say,
Why?
that was a Saturday of my life I'll never get back.
And this random thing here?
What? That's for the roof liner. Can come out as well.
Oh, there we go. Comes down here.
You can use the nut runner and the like the extension. I'm not sure what that spring's going to do, so just be aware of nothing.
In a rage.
Don't take the wheel over.
Luckily, the steering column is held by two. I don't know.
Open a prayer.
Yeah. Why do you need a dash? Got everything here you want.
Just put felt over this dash.
Spray it.
Yeah.
Get chalk.
Every lap you just make little dots.
5! You have an abacus here that you can connect your laptop with.
Yeah, how fast am I going? 1 pole, 2 poles.
So, successful day here. Well done, boys. It's just bits and pieces everywhere. So that's a wrap for this week's episode. Thank you so much for watching. It was quite a tricky task getting through all of that work, but we really got a lot done. So thanks for the guys coming over and helping me. Like I say, we really got a lot done. I've also just launched our Patreon page. If you want to support us, please head over to my Instagram page, hit the follow button, maybe head over to my Patreon page and give us a follow, maybe throw us a couple of bucks, help us just get these projects going and future projects going. Because ultimately we want to bring you guys new content and really good quality content, and that's what it's all about. We want to empower people by doing what we love doing. So once again, thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. Ciao.